Well, this is a router table. A lot of woodworkers have router tables. Not too many of them have 3 routers in one table. And it comes in handy. Trouble is, it's hard to get to them and adjust them. So this one can tip up like this, goes against the safety chain right there. Then you can work on it all you want. Everything is right there in the open. Then when you're done, you just take it, push it back down, and it'll go down, down, down. Chain disappears underneath the router table. So that's my answer to making my 3 router table a little more convenient.